Downloading your account data from eBay is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your transactions and account activity. Follow these steps to retrieve your data. Step 1. Log into your eBay account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password straight checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, hover over your username in the upper right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Access the Download Data section. In the Account Settings menu, look for a section labeled Download Data or Data and Privacy. Click on this option to proceed to the data download page. Step 4. Choose the data you want to download. On the Download Data page, you will see various options for the types of data you can download, such as purchase history, selling activity, and account information. Select the specific datasets you wish to download. Step 5. Request the download. After selecting your desired data, click on the Request Download or Semo button. eBay will process your request, and you will receive an email notification once your data is ready for download. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your account data from eBay. This information can help you manage your transactions and keep a record of your eBay activities.